so now we're gonna do the trunk light on this 2014 Honda Accord. Pretty easy to get to. All you gotta do is just pop to this side, just like that. Pops out. So this one, before you pull it out like the other ones, actually disconnect it so there's no power to it, because these will get hot. So, and that will be with the original bulb for this one. So if you have had it running for a while and you want to replace it, make sure you disconnect it and use a glove or some microfiber cloth. Pretty much just grab it, pull it out, easy as that. And same thing to put it back in. This one's not hot, so I'm using my hands. Easy as that, okay? Test it. There you go. Simple as that. And just make sure you put it back together and you're done. If you have any questions, let us know. We're more than happy to help you out. Thank you.
Beautiful